Hello friends, hello, it's Courtney with Subtle Beauty, and today I'm going to show you how I did this beach-inspired makeup look. It's perfect if you are going on vacation this summer, but if you are staying home for a little staycation and want that beachy vibe, this look is perfect. For the beach-inspired makeup look, for foundation and concealer, you're going to want to go light because you don't want it heavy and cakey. My Subtle Beauty concealer comes in the color Chartiers, and so I'll just put a little bit under the eye to cover the dark circle and then a little down my nose for contouring and definition. So then we'll do the shine control powder just under the eye and nose, T-zone, right? Just get that oily spot. For a beachy look with the bronzer, I'll do a tad more bronzer than I normally would just to look a bit tanner, get a bit more color. I use the Cool in the Subtle Beauty, and I'll first apply it everywhere with a big round brush. And then I'll do just a little more bronzer for contouring with the smaller Subtle Beauty brush. A must for a beach-inspired look is a nice rosy cheek, and so I use the Perfectly Pink and get on the apples of the cheeks. I just did my eyes how I normally do them, and now I'll do the Perfectly Pink lip, and then the last part, the most important part to get that beachy-inspired look is highlighter. As I said, the most important part of a beach look, I think, is highlighter. So I have our rosé highlighter. I'm gonna put it in the corners of both my eyes, like this. I am also gonna put it down my nose, like this. On my cheekbones, like that. Both sides. Probably a little extra on the cheekbones. Also gonna put some right below the nose, right above the lip. Right there. I might just do a little bit more. Sometimes I also like to take a little brush, let me use my big brush again, just dust it on the cheek, like that. And then, when I'm all done, I might put a light dusting on the lip. And so there you have it, the beach-inspired makeup look. Again, I think the highlighter at the end is probably the most important part to give you that cool beachy glow. We hope you guys like this video. Please leave your comments below.